Hello, welcome. Previously, we have discussed how to install Git on our local PC. Now, let us discuss and understand how you can create an account on GitHub, which is on the server. GitHub is available as a website. It is a online repository. We need to create an account here so that we can connect from our local Git to GitHub. Before connecting, we need to create an account in the GitHub, right? For that, open the browser, go to github.com, provide your email ID here, then click on sign up for GitHub. You provide the password and then provide the username, and then region you can select whatever region, and then click on create account. So you can choose whatever you want, visual puzzle or audio puzzle. I just select here visual puzzle. So you need to move to this particular W22 it is already there. Submit. So it is asking one more V2. So okay, V2 submit. So something was not correct. Okay, P18 is already there. G3, I move to G3, submit. It will ask 2 to 3 puzzles, so you need to solve one by one. Now H8, J25 means here. Okay, then submit. Okay, it will ask 3 puzzles. You need to solve all the 3 puzzles, and it will send the one-time verification code to your email ID. And go to your email ID, you will receive one-time verification code like this. You just have to provide this verification code 444-68046. 444-68046. Continue. So now account is created successfully. I can log in now. Provide your email ID and then provide password. So now this is how your home page will look like. Now you can update your profile as well. If you go to profile here, you can edit the profile. Here you can provide your name. I provide tester. So bio you can provide something like developer, whatever developer, and you can specify here other company name detail, whatever you want. You can specify your personal website, your social media links, everything, right? Then you can save. So this is the username master tester 108. So that is already provided during the account creation. So you cannot change that. So now, so your profile is ready. You can create the repository here and you can push. That one we will look into it later. Now we have learned how we can create the account in the GitHub, and this is the username master tester 108. Here you can see the repositories. We don't have any repositories now. We will create that shortly later in the course. Right now we just focus on how you can create an account in GitHub and how we can set up your profile. So when you are managing the code, you mainly focus on the repositories. When you are pushing and pulling the code, you mainly focus on the repositories. There are some other features like projects, packages, and as well. We will look into that later in the course. Thank you for watching.